Welcome back, everybody. So we've been taking a look at those inflatables that I bought on Facebook Marketplace recently, and I'm hoping that I saved the best for last. This is the third ghost-themed inflatable that I purchased from a particular seller that I'm very excited about. Can't wait to show you. It is a Gemmy product, I believe. It is an air-blown animated haunted tree. So I'm not exactly sure how it's animated, but I'm kind of excited to find out with you. It does say it stands 7.5 feet tall. It says, oh, here it is. The tree shakes and shivers and features new tinsel fabric. I'm not sure what they mean by tinsel fabric. I'm guessing it's this sort of droopy stuff. Is that, why would you want that? I don't know. Hopefully it'll look good. I'm not sure, but we'll see. It just seems a little strange to me. You know, lately, if you've watched my at-home store walkthroughs, they've got a really cool inflatable tree. He's very creepy looking, and I kind of think that this tinsel detracts from this particular tree's creepy lookingness, but what are you gonna do? There's no real date on here. Oh, there is actually, I'm sorry. It's 2013, so it's several years old, 6 years old, I guess. So you got to give them a little bit of a pass in terms of their creepiness for being an early adopter of the tree motif, we'll say. Anyway, I think it is time that we just go on outside. I can't peek into this box. There looks like there is another box inside. So let's take it outside. We will inflate it and see how it looks. All right, here we are outside. I am bathing in the blood of these mosquitoes here in the middle of a Georgia summer, testing my Halloween inflatables, making the neighbors think I'm completely crazy. But as we open up the box here, there is another box inside. And as I open that up, I can see offhand, it's very colorful, very Halloween. So that's either fun or not. Oh, I was not expecting this. The face of the tree is a very glittery, I guess this is what they call that tinsel material. Not tinsel like hanging tinsel, but this shiny material tinsel. So I'm kind of curious to see what that's going to look like all inflated. All right, on the bottom here, we do have a nice fan. Legs pop into place. The fan is pushed down with some, I don't know. The fan has a big gap there is I guess what I'm trying to say. So a lot of room for airflow. Here we go. Let's go ahead and plug him in and see how he inflates and shakes. All right, here goes. Maybe. All right, here goes take two. I can see him shaking right off the bat. All right, he's a little twisted because when the previous owner put him away, he left all the ties on, so they're kind of catching him all over, but I think it's mostly clear. All right, let's get this one off. There we go. And now he's shaking at his full 7-foot height. Let's go ahead and bring the camera in closer and take a closer look. The first thing you might notice on this inflatable, aside from its shakiness, is the expressive quality of the figures. You've got 3 ghosts hiding amongst the tree limbs, all with the different expressions. And of course the main tree here definitely has, is that supposed to be fun or is that supposed to be scary? I don't know. But his wild head of hair kind of looks like dreads, and he has long limb fingers. So what is he trying to convey with his appearance? I don't know. Again, I'm not sure the ribbons really add to it, except maybe they're only there to kind of show that he's shaking, because he doesn't shake wildly. I guess does sort of make this ghost here want to dance. He's got little feet too. So they've done a pretty good job of giving him a sort of lifelike humanoid appearance with his hands and feet and hair. Let's take a closer look at his skin. As you can see, it is that tinsely fabric, but it only goes halfway around. It doesn't cover his hands there, his arms, or his back. When you look down and up, there's not really anything to see here on the back. And there you go. All right, so there you go. We have our shaking LED 7.5 foot inflatable tree. Let me know what you think. I really like the appearance of it. I'm pretty happy with it. I think it's gonna go great in my ghost gallery / ghost alley, whatever we're gonna call it. But the tree, I like that I have a tree because I had a tree inflatable before and it ripped, and that kind of made me sad because it also had ghosts on it. However, it did not shake. But really, what does this shaking add to this inflatable? Certainly it adds a mechanism down here that makes it perhaps slightly louder than it needs to be, but I'm also worried that that's gonna break. But I suppose that once it does break and it stops shaking, it's probably, I mean, it's still gonna light up and inflate, I would assume. I don't know, but if you have one of these shaking inflatables and that's happened to you, let me know. Were you able to fix it? Does it work okay without it? I don't know, and I'm crossing my fingers that I'm not gonna have to find out. But I guess my inflatable tree needs a name, so if you've got a name in mind, give me some comments below. Let me know what we should call him, or maybe her. Is it her? I don't know. But that'll do it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure you're subscribed if you want to see more DIYs, product reviews, inflatable reviews, store walkthroughs, and so forth as we inch ever closer to Halloween. Can't wait to share all of that with you. So until then, guys, take care. Happy haunting.